बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिशरहली सदरी वयस्सिरली अमरी wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Very warm welcome to all of my lovers, followers, subscribers, friends, everybody who's been watching my videos and all my appearances that you people are appreciating, and that gives me encouragement that I make more videos. Thanks a lot. So guys, very important topic. Everybody is aware. You must be enjoying nowadays the National Assembly session, budget session, and everybody is laughing. So if you just been go for the follow-up of my videos which are relevant to the parliament issues and political issues, so I keep on telling you, just ridiculous things are going on. I just am supposed to laugh. I want you to laugh as well. And they are our leaders. How they are behaving, how they are acting, how they are performing in Parliament House. All the things are visible in front of us. And we have been observing these things for a long time. So just imagine it. You should get rid of these politicians, these non-serious and immature politicians. Now, and really, I was shocked when all this happened before some days. What happened while the opposition leader was making his speech. So what happened? And definitely at the time of the Prime Minister, when he was speaking, opposition raised much more hue and cry. So have you imagined one thing? That if after that, all the people, they are coming on media, from government side, then from opposition, they are saying, no, we haven't done anything. This was started by the opposite party. And when opposition is coming, no, we haven't done it. That this was started by the government. That they just threw the book. And that those books are the Constitution of Pakistan and definitely the budget copies. Those were being thrown. So just tell me that the people who are having your sacred, that is a sacred book for us. Even the budget book, even the Constitution, if anybody is not going to respect that holy and sacred things, books, papers, so are they going to take care of you and me? Is it possible? Never possible. So my question, what I want, that you people should divert your intentions, that for God's sake, think about your leaders. What you and me consider leaders, they are not the leaders. They cannot be the leaders. But you and me, this is our compulsion that we are supposed to accept them. But now the time is going to be changed. Please find out the new leaders who are mature, educated, must be comprehending the things, considerate, compromising, must be raising the voice for the common people. This thing is required. If they are going for the protest, so they are protesting, just the fake cases are going to be registered against them. That's why the people are coming for the protest. And the government they are sleeping and they are waiting. Their timing should be ended. And next time they are also planning, the PTI government. Really shocking for me. And please tell me in the comment, are you feeling a little bit shocking that PTI is thinking for the next tenure as well? And also the opposition parties who have spent 30 years, they are also thinking for one more term. So you tell me that, is this justified? So my question to only people, protect your vote and find out the leaders. Leaders are there. Common people, considerate people, intelligent people who are willing to work for you. They are around you. Just need to search them out. Please focus not to perceive what is happening in Parliament. They people are wasting your and my time. Keep it in your mind. Opposition, one of the opposition members was saying, okay, because this is the right of opposition that they speak when the leader of house is speaking. This is the task of the opposition, just to raise hue and cry. You are just raising hue and cry for your own cases, not for the common people, and not to make us fool. All of all of you are doing everything for yourself, not for the common people. This is 100%. But I believe, I hope to Almighty that people should be now, must be waken up. Now the time is 75 years have been passed in the liberation of my country. So please, people, beware, beware. These are not the leaders. Thank you very much. Long live Pakistan.